What are you not sold about? We're seeing C3 AI jump in here in the pre-market. AI's really pushed the NASDAQ higher. Tech has pushed the entire market higher. What are you not seeing that you're a fan of?
Yeah, but Frank, everything you're saying right now is about a very narrow breadth, and the breadth this narrow. When the top 10 stocks have contributed 70% of the performance, that is not a harbinger of a well-substantiated future rally. And so, what makes me nervous in particular is that let's just stipulate that they do get this debt deal done. I do believe that we will likely see a downgrade, and that will further push credit tightness. That will further drain liquidity out of the system. And likely lead to a recession towards the end of this year, because the Fed will be back on watch. And as Loretta Mester said, it will probably be time for the Fed to take front and center again and wage the war on inflation and continue to push rates.
Okay.
Estimates are not reflecting that. Estimates are reflecting the 2 rate cuts that the market was expecting up until recently in the back end of this year.
Hold on, Greg. I heard a key word there. You said if this deal gets done, so it sounds like you're doubting it. And even if it does get done, you believe that the U.S. credit rating could get downgraded. So I got to ask you, on that note, what's your WEX word of the day?
The word of the day is suspenseful. This will be a suspenseful couple of days, Frank. And so let me stipulate, I am more confident that we will not default than I have been since January, since this got out of rules last night. So I do believe that there's a very low likelihood that we will default at this point. There are 3 risks. You've intimated all of them at some point on the program. The first is that they challenge the speakers, that they move to vacate, and that would only come from Reps Roy and Bishop at this point. Very low probability on that. Okay. One senator could hang this up, low probability on that. And Janet Yellen has the date wrong, probably a low probability on that too. Those are the only threats at this point. All
right, one other thing we want to talk to you about, U.S. and China relations. Just a short time ago, I'm just kind of going over these headlines right now.
Right.
There was talks about U.S.-China economic and trade cooperation. We have Elon Musk in China. We have Jamie Dimon in China talking about that they plan to be there. Do you feel like corporate America is maybe taking the lead when it comes to U.S.-China relations? And what do you think that means for the markets?
I think they have, and hopefully that will be a very short-term thing. Obviously, the president's attention has been diverted on this debt ceiling debacle for the last 2 months. So I don't think that there's anything really meaningful to the markets yet. We have to see how long this leadership continues. But I do believe that the administration, once past the debt ceiling debacle, will resume leadership, and the right channels will be opened again.